Hey everybody, welcome back. We've got one more thing to talk about involving verbs. And that's the way that sometimes in certain really interesting situations, words that are usually verbs can be used as different parts of speech. And when a verb is used as another part of speech, we call it a verbal. One example is what's called a gerund. A gerund is a verb used as a noun. They end in ing, and they come up when we're talking about an action. So if you said, for example, learning is easy in Mr. Kennedy's class, learning is now a thing, right? You normally use that as an action. I learn, you learn, we all learn, right? But if you say learning is easy, now learning is the subject of that sentence. We're talking about learning as an action. We're sort of talking about it in the abstract. So it's a thing, it's a noun, it's a gerund. A participle is when we use a verb as an adjective. They usually end in ing or ed, and we use them to indicate that a noun is doing an action. So if you could take, let's keep our example verb and say learn. Again, learn is usually an action. I learned in class yesterday. But if you said something like, the learning student will do better on the test than the sleeping student, now learning has become an adjective modifying student. It's answering the question, what kind? So we took that verb to learn and we used it as an adjective. The last kind of verbal is the infinitive. The infinitive is the to form of a verb, and we can actually use them as three different parts of speech. You could use an infinitive as a noun, as an adjective, or as an adverb. So if you said, to learn is the best part of school, that's an infinitive being used as a noun, right? So let's look at this example sentence. Stabbing himself in the eyes was the only solution weeping Oedipus could find to solve his problem. There are several verbals in this sentence. The first one is right here, stabbing. Stabbing here is a thing. It's an action that we're talking about. Stabbing himself in the eyes. So it's a gerund. Right? Stabbing was. If it looks like a verb, but it's doing something. And we often see gerunds paired with to be verbs. Stabbing was. Stabbing is. Stabbing is an important skill to have if you want to be king of Thebes. In those situations, we're usually talking about gerunds. The next verbal is right here. Weeping. Again, weep is ordinarily a verb. I weep, you weep, we all weep. But here, weeping is being used to modify Oedipus. Which Oedipus? Weeping Oedipus. So it's an adjective. This is an example of a participle. The last verbal in this sentence, to solve. That's the infinitive form of the verb solve. In this case, it's actually being used as an adverb because it's modifying the verb could find. So there you have several different verbs being used as alternate parts of speech: gerunds, participles, and infinitives.